In this video, we'll learn Oxford Modern English Book 5 solved exercise of lesson The Black Spot. The first question of this exercise is comprehensions. First question is, who is telling the story? When did the story take place? Jim Hawkins is telling the story and it take place in 17. B. Where did the storyteller lives? He lived in Admiral Benbow Inn. C. Who came to stay? Bill, the old seaman, came to stay. D. What question did the visitor ask every day? Every day he asked if any seaman had gone along the road. E. What did the visitor look like? He looked like a tall, strong man with a cut across one cheek. F. What difference were there between the captain and Dr. Livesey? The difference between the doctor with his white hair and pleasant way of speaking and that dirty, heavy, red-faced seaman. G. How do we know that the captain is scared by the stranger's arrival? The color went from his face and he looked old and sick. H. What is unusual about the stranger's appearance? He had only 3 fingers on his left hand. I. Why are James' parents not around to help? Because his father was ill. What are James' first impression of the blind man? When and how does his opinion change? He is the terrible, short-speaking, eyeless man. He changed his opinion as the blind man held his hand firmly and inquired about the Captain Bill. Now the second phase of the comprehension question is, answer the following question with the reference to the contest. The first contest is, every day he asked if any seaman had gone along the road. The first question regarding this contest is, who asked the question? Who does he ask? The captain asked the question from James Hacken. Question 2. What did the person he asked think of his reason for asking? At first, Jim thought that he need friends of his own kind, but soon he realized that there must be a specific reason. Number 3. What was the real reason for asking the question? To watch for seaman with one leg. Context B is, the color went from his face and he looked old and sick. The first question regarding this contest is, who is being described? The captain is being described. Second, what was caused this reaction when the captain saw the stranger? Number 3, what is meant by the color went from his face? It means he terrified and surprised. The second phase of this exercise is adjective. First we define the adjective as, adjectives describes nouns and pronouns. They give you more information about people, place and things. For example, very beautiful house, the big house, the red glass, the red shoes. These are the examples of adjectives. Color, size, that describe the noun or pronoun. Now we collect 10 adjectives from this lessons and use them in sentence. The first adjective is old. The sentence is, old seaman came to stay in the inn. Tall. Ali is a tall boy. Strong. He is a strong man. Cold. Today is very cold outside. Short. This is a short story. Louder. The voice of stranger become louder. Longer. She has longer hair than Sana. Poor. He is a poor man. Kind. She is very kind to students. Cruel. His voice is very cruel. Now sentence. The word is give away. meaning to stop urging. Sentence: don't give way to your fear. Second, give in, meaning agree. He nagged me so much for a new bike that eventually I gave in. Give off, to devote. She really gave off her time to help. Gave off, to produce something. The forest fire gave off thick black smoke. Gave out, issue or omit. This heater gave out funny smell sometime. Gave up, meaning to make a present. To make a present. We gave her flowers for her birthday. Give back, to give someone back something. We just want them to give us back our home. Give over, to stop doing something. Sentence: give over making that noise. Now we learn about the language. Present participle. The ing form of verb is called present participle. Example: there was the crash of a falling table. Now, falling is a present participle of fall. Underline and color the present participles in given sentence. First, she told us an amusing joke yesterday. Amusing is a present participle. The man spoke kindly to the crying child. Kindly is the present participle. We saw the boy walking down the road. Walking is the present participle. The flying ducks were shot by the hunter. Flying is the present participle. The man was frightened by the barking dog. Barking is the present participle. Gerunds. A gerund is the ing form of a verb used as a noun. Sometimes a gerund is called a verbal noun because it comes from a verb. Sometimes it is difficult to know whether an ing word is gerund or a present participle. If you can replace the ing word or its phrase with the pronoun it, then the word is a gerund. Underline and color the gerund. Shouting in class is not allowed. Painting is a good way to relax. I don't remember seeing you before. The room needs cleaning. We like to watch people dancing.